Paul Ross presents Unit 2 at 10 Flora Avenue, Bayswater. Looking for a great investment, downsizing, or are you a first home buyer? Then look no further than this low maintenance and easy care 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home. Some of the many features include a separate front lounge room, a spacious open plan living area with plenty of natural light. The kitchen has ample bench and cupboard space. All bedrooms have split system air conditioning, and the master has its own ensuite. Outside is like a blank canvas, giving you plenty of room to add your personal touch. The double carport garage has an electric roller door, and there's a powered storeroom. Located at the end of the street is Flora Reserve Park, which has a playground, and nearby is Houghton Park. You're a short drive away from the popular Charlie's Fresh Food Market, Morley Galleria and Tonkin Highway. This home is perfect for those with a busy lifestyle, so don't miss viewing this one. For more information, a personal viewing, or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.